Interrupted with the Ch Library DLL blocking localized application logic workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin our Ch library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Ch library, a generic channel and communication library, frequently used to manage unmanaged inter-process communication (IPC) and facilitate the data link between modular software components for real-time event orchestration. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The Ch library DLL library is a specialized component of the localized application logic system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Ch library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Keep in mind that Ch library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Ch library. If your workstation is back online and Ch library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.